musical ceremony is only presented on very special occasions. Ladies and gentlemen, today is such an occasion. It's the second time that we celebrate a Mercedes-Maybach world premiere here in China, here in Guangzhou. As Jan mentioned, in 2014, we presented the Mercedes-Maybach luxury car brand, as well as the new Mercedes-Maybach S-Class in this very place. And I'm very proud to have witnessed the impressive success story of both brand and product over the last 5 years, especially here in China. China is the biggest market for our ultimate luxury car brand Maybach. We are fortunate and thankful to gain the trust of our valued customers. Therefore, we believe it's only logical to introduce our Maybach brand and product to the top end of the SUV market. Let me introduce to you some highlights of the new Maybach GLS SUV. You can see it right away. The Maybach GLS features a distinctive and impressive design, composed with the utmost attention to detail. Take, for example, the fine vertical chrome struts of the radiator grille. The wheels are unique both in their design and their dimensions, with up to 23 inches. This unique signature is further accented by Maybach badges and up to 8 selections of optional two-tone paint. Now you might wonder what sitting in the GLS Maybach feels like. I can tell you firsthand, it's ultimate comfort. This starts as soon as you approach the car. When the door is opened, the vehicle automatically lowers. At the same time, the electric running boards extend quickly and silently. From inside the Maybach GLS, the world outside looks different because of the lofty seating position. Compared to a classical sedan, it's about 25 centimeters higher. In the front row, high-end multi-contoured seats make sure that the driver and passenger always enjoy the ride. But for us, Maybach typical comfort also means special attention to the rear compartment. With the Maybach GLS, you have the choice between a 4-seater and a 5-seater, both offering 2 executive seats as standard. In the 4-seater, a generous center console replaces the 5th seat. Ladies and gentlemen, with Mercedes-Maybach, we want to fulfill all dimensions of luxury. This also goes for the legroom. The long wheelbase of 3.14 meters is utilized entirely for the generous interior space. The result is an exceptional legroom of 1.1 meters. And that's not all. With the front passenger seat moved to the chauffeur position, the legroom behind it reaches an impressive 1.34 meters. The Maybach GLS thus offers the most space for rear passengers in its segment. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the Maybach GLS offers a unique and comprehensive combination of comfort and luxury. This automobile is extraordinary as a passenger, but let me assure you, driving it is just as sublime. The standard aromatic air suspension is already outstanding. In addition, we offer a fully active chassis with e-active body control. This system is able to individually regulate the spring and damper forces of each wheel. In other words, you will get the most intelligent SUV suspension in the world. And for the first time, we offer a Maybach exclusive drive program. The system ensures that body movements in the rear of the vehicle are reduced to a minimum. This too is absolutely unique to the automobile market. The Maybach GLS is also a class of its own when it comes to driving dynamics. Our top-of-the-line SUV is powered by a highly advanced 4-liter V8, providing an output of 558 horsepower and 730 Newton-meter of torque. And thanks to our 48-volt system with integrated starter generator, it also offers the functions of hybrid drives such as boosting and recuperating. Ladies and gentlemen, every detail, from the design to the drivetrain, demonstrates Mercedes-Maybach stands for ultimate luxury and exclusive luxury, as well as for maximum comfort and state-of-the-art technology. To me, this makes the Mercedes-Maybach GLS the most desirable luxury SUV ever. Our newest member of the Maybach family will enter the market in the second half of next year. And we're convinced that it will write its own success story and thus make a lasting contribution to the overall success of our ultimate luxury brand Mercedes-Maybach, both in China and in the world. Thank you very much. 谢谢。
首发，迈巴赫品牌将以更为强大的阵容，继续延续星辉之巅的无上的荣耀。Well, the world premiere of the all-new Mercedes-Maybach GLS. Now we are sure that the Maybach brand will make the three-pointed star shine brighter than ever. 那么，梅赛德斯迈巴赫 GLS 也是为当代贤达奉上的全新礼遇。在未来的日子里，我们将一起以礼为尊，礼待天下，礼遇天地。相信在未来的日子里呢，梅赛德斯迈巴赫也将与当代的贤达一同携手，走向更为美好和光明的前途。好，女士们、先生们，我们再次感谢各位光临梅赛德斯迈巴赫 GLS 全球首发盛典。希望明天开幕的广州车展上，我们在梅赛德斯奔驰的展台能够再一次相见。希望各位度过一个愉快的羊城之夜。Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for joining us tonight at the world premiere of the Mercedes-Maybach GLS. That's all the time we have for tonight, but I hope that we'll see all of you again tomorrow at Auto Guangzhou. Enjoy your evening. Thank you.